We're here out in De Pere, Wisconsin, drilling holes for this fence job. We are to install a 186-foot privacy fence, 6 foot tall. A couple things we gotta move. All the holes at least 3 feet deep, as we have a pretty low frost line here in Wisconsin. And we rooted them up, so it's almost a 12-inch hole. Some of these holes, we run into some good solid clay. Oh, is that a pain in the butt? Digger's hotline was out here yesterday, and our gas lines, and that was all that they had to mark. Fence permit came through a couple days ago. We got 25 post holes drilled. Now we're just waiting on material delivery from Menards. It's supposed to be delivered on the side of that shed over there between the hours of 9 and 2. And right now it's 1:30, so I would imagine they will be here at any time. To drill these holes, I'm using a 3 horsepower Tecumseh. Just a one-man ice auger. It does the job for dirt. And actually the blades at the end, they're still sharp. So sharp even that in some of these holes, when we ran into ruts, it just shaved them until it went through it. Drilled like a very large drill bit. Kind of crazy.